Hello everyone, very good afternoon and welcome to another AI experimentation video. This time I'm going to show you what I created. I already shared a quick sneak peek in my LinkedIn where I already shared daily about AI and some automations or new releases. And let me show you what I created. Just to give you some context, of course, what you're looking at is a fully working sneaker store with an AI voice assistant built right into it. And also we'll be able to click in that mic that you see in the top right on the landing page. And it will ask things like the product, and it will answer me in real time with an actual voice. So it is not typing, no chatbot, it's actually a conversation. Just look at this. Hey, can you explain me a bit more regarding this website?
Welcome to Solstice. We make premium performance sneakers for trail running, road running, court sports, and your daily life. Are you looking for something specific or just browsing?
I usually run around 25 kilometers per week. So, what you would recommend for a runner?
For your road running, I'd highly recommend the Solstice Run Pro. They have ultra responsive propulsion foam and are perfect for daily training. Are there any performance or style features you're looking for specifically? I recommended the Solstice Run Pro for your 25-kilometer per week.
Yes, I understand. Because I don't know your brand so well, I just want to understand what would be the return policy in case I don't like them.
We offer 30-day free returns, no questions asked, so you can try them out on your runs and make sure they're perfect for you. You also get a 1-year warranty on top of that. Does that sound good?
Sounds great. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Let me know if you want to talk colors or any other details. I'm happy to help.
Sure. So, as you can see, um, I will walk you today through how I was able to create these landing pages with those images and the AI assistant with voice embedded in this landing page. And that will be the exercise of today. Are you ready? Let's jump into it. First of all, very important for the images, I already created them, right? You can just easily use ChatGPT. It's one of the best creating images in pair with Nano Banana 2 from Google. Just use some prompts, and even Claude Code can give you the prompts. I will create you the images. I will show you the images in a bit. Then my GitHub for this exercise, I will drop the link on the description below of this video, so please have a look. And you're gonna have the CLAUDE.md requirements and other assets that could help you with building this landing page. Now, in terms of how we're gonna work on this exercise, we will go through we're gonna use a folder. So usually what you would do, you go to the GitHub, you take the assets and you paste on a folder where Claude Code is gonna work on. We're gonna have this CLAUDE.md file, the readme, the .env, and the 4 images that, as I said, I already built them, so we can just go through the exercise quicker. And we're gonna do everything here in Visual Studio Code, and you can see it here. Very important, to use Claude Code you need the Claude Pro subscription. It's around €20/dollars per month. Then you can install it in the Visual Studio Code. You can also download Claude in your desktop. You can use Code on the Claude desktop. And then what you do is basically, once you're here, you click File, open folder, and you go to the folder. For me, it's going to be for sneaker store here, and that's it. And you can see that all information on the left. Quickly going through the assets, we have we have one CLAUDE.md file. This is a file that gives guidance to Claude Code how to implement this exercise and landing page. Also very important to teach how to install the AI voice assistant. That's the biggest and most important part of this exercise. You can see there's some information, guidance, after you can see it by yourself. The README, it's more about explaining the exercise that we're gonna go through. I have 3 demos, but the one that we're gonna go through is this one. The Solstice Sneaker AI Stylist, a premium sneaker brand, landing page with an embedded AI voice stylist. I don't even know what Claude used the word stylist, but whatever. It's gonna run this Python server.py. It's gonna be local hosted. What it does: recommended shoes, answer questions, guide customers, some files, and you can see as well the architecture. Again, this is just for you to have a little feeling how Claude will use those files to create this sneaker store, that you don't really need to worry about that. You just pick the assets from my GitHub, you put in a folder, you open them for Claude Code to work on, and that's it. Now, let's make this store a reality. So even though it's already created, I'm gonna start from scratch. So for you to see, I already have this prompt, very simple. Build a sneaker brand landing page for a brand called Solstice for products. Actually, I'm gonna change to euros just to make it slightly different. Of course, the products, this was something I brainstormed with Claude, so you can always change what things you want to create. Embed the Gemini Live voice widget. That's gonna be AI support. Customer picks the right shoes, and yeah, that's it. And now we just click enter and we send it to Claude Code. One also important part is the front-end design skill that you will need to create this landing page. That's an important aspect of it. Also another important aspect will be the API key. So if you have a Google account, like Gmail, you will be able to obtain Google API key specifically from AI Studio to have access to the Gemini 3.1 live, which is the AI voice model, to then embed it and have this AI voice assistant. These are the most important details. The rest, you just give the prompt to Claude. It's gonna go through all the information that there is in the assets, and if he has questions, he will let you know. It's gonna take roughly 5 to 10 minutes, so that's why I'm gonna pause, and we're gonna come back once he is done. And we are back. So what I did, I went through a few interactions. It did create the website, this sneaker store, but there were some bugs. So when you encounter that something is not working properly, in my case was the AI voice agent was not really well connected, you just ask Claude, hey, it didn't work, why? And then he fixes the issues himself and it debug itself. So the most important is this one. So what we're gonna do, you can, I mean, I already copied, right? But you can have a look. We did. There we go. So this the one was created just right now. As you can see, way different from my original one. So this is the original one that I showed at the very beginning. And this is the new one. And you can see it has a different layout. I mean, I didn't, because I wanted to make it quicker for the sake of this video. I didn't went with too deep into the details, but then of course you can always give in information how you prefer to have your landing page. And here also the agent is slightly different, but the most important part is that it works.
Hey, great to see you. What are you mainly looking for in a sneaker today?
Hey, can you explain to me a bit more about this website?
Oh, this isn't a website. I'm your Solstice AI stylist. Think of me as your personal shopper for all things Solstice. Our lineup has everything from trail runners to everyday lookers. What kind of shoe are you after primarily?
I'm someone that walks a lot into the mountains, doing hiking. What do you recommend?
Then you'll love the X1 Trail. It's built for serious mountains with its waterproof upper and aggressive lugs for €219.
Cool. So as you can see, this was the final result of the project. Of course, then you can interact with Claude Code multiple times. My final version was this one, this which I preferred much more. Of course, it took me longer. And also I will drop this wireframe. Basically, it guides you through all the steps from the setup, installing Claude Code, API keys until the final product. What you can really do, you can just copy this, drop it in Claude Chat or Claude Code, and it will guide you. So any kind of configuration, it will be handed by Claude. That was everything for today. I hope you enjoyed. Also, double check all the other videos that I have with other information automations as well. Please subscribe, as I'm planning to deliver this kind of video formats in a weekly basis. See you in the next one.